Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to disable back button vibration, home button vibration, recent app vibration, and dial pad vibration on Samsung Galaxy listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next open sounds and vibration. Okay, next open system vibration. Okay, next on touch interaction you click disable. Next on dialing keypad you click disable. Next I will test. Yaps. Vibration has been turned off. Yaps, successfully. Okay, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.